Oh, that's my first coin.
What's up, everybody? Josh here with 508 Magnets. I am at my local fairgrounds today and we're doing some metal detecting. Got my Equinox 600 right here. This place is loaded with history. This has been a fairground since the 1800s and is still used today, so there's no telling what we could find. I'm also not alone. I'm here with BROCKTON Magnet Fisher. He's getting his gear together. We'll see him in a second. So yeah, let's get to swinging, see what we can find. Alright, today I'm also going to be testing out my new shovel that I got from the Digologist. This is a land jammer shovel, handmade by the Digologist, and I've done a few test holes right now and I can tell you that it's really good, so I'm going to really enjoy my new land jammer shovel by Digologist. Let's do this. I told you he was here.
What's up, guys? I was like, Josh, you know what? It's a beautiful day. It's 50 degrees out today. Tomorrow's gonna snow. I was like, let's go do some detecting. Josh was like, where do you want to meet?
Let's do it. What are you hoping to find today, Sean?
Man, this place, everybody's been around since like the 1800s and stuff. A lot of things that happen in this fairgrounds. I'm hoping to find some silver.
All right, let's dig some more holes, find some more stuff. All right, got a 1920, kind of shallow. Let's see. Oh, the plug kind of died, but let's see if we got anything. Oh, I might have missed my mark. Oh, there it is right there. Looks like a little wine bottle top, just some junk. Dug a lot of these right now. Gotta find treasure behind the trash. Alright, this thing digs awesome plugs. The ground is crumbling, but that's not the shovel's fault. And a nice shallow 15 signal. Oh, pull tab. Bound to find these. Alright, signal here in the plug. Ooh, okay. Not what I was expecting. I was expecting another bottle cap, honestly, but got a big plug of some sort. Looks like it's hollow. Probably clean it out. Alright. So we're finding stuff other than bottle caps for now. Like I said, I've done a lot of bottle caps and pull tabs, just not showing them. Okay, moving on. Alright, another signal. Guessing it's a pull tab, but oh, no, it's not. We've got what looks like a button.
Another small bottle cap. My goodness, this place is famous for the bottle caps.
Yeah, it's definitely a button. Looks more like a modern kind of denim button.
Cut it off. Do a full reset. All right.
Yeah, I'm thinking this is a bit more of a modern one. There's no design on it or anything. But pretty cool. It's kind of like my first button. I've never really found a button before. There we go. First good find.
Hopefully not a bottle cap, but
Where'd it go?
we'll find out.
That's not it, that's a leak. Oh, I thought it was another button.
Looks like we got something.
Another pull tab. Couple of golf balls. I missed him. Alright, got a signal right there. It looks like, if I had to take a guess, might be a Matchbox car. Oh no, maybe not. It's a little smaller than that. Oh, okay. I thought I saw some orange in color to it. That's why I guessed that, but looks like, yeah, see there's some color on there. Looks like a big ol' hex nut. Yep. Alright, we're finding things. Weeding through the trash. We're gonna get something good out of here. Too much land for there not to be something good. Alright, I got a load of mid-20s. Let's see if we can't find it. Oh, right in the center. Oh, that's my first coin. It's a penny. That was down there pretty deep. Let's see a date. 1971. First coin on the board. Got my first coin! Alright, missed the mark here a little bit, but let's see what we got. Oh. Old bottle cap. Alright, it's just about to dig this signal. Really nice 25. Stuck my shovel in. And there's a dime sitting right on top. Check it out. A 1983 second coin, surface find. Not bad shape. I'll take it. Looks like I just found a 60 watt fuse or 60 amp fuse. I don't know what that would go to. Maybe a camper, something. I don't know. Alright, that's going to do it for us here today. Wasn't as good as we hoped, but still had a good day. Got to use my new shovel. Loved it. Check out the Brockton Magnet Fisher. His channel will be linked below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, at this fairgrounds, Josh, you better friggin' edit that, bro.